If you saw my previous GoPro vlogging rig video that I created, then you know the goal of that setup was for maximum image quality and versatility. So it wasn't necessarily the prettiest or the smallest setup. Now for some people that setup was too complicated or too big for what they wanted to use with their GoPro. Now at the time when I made that setup, the GoPro had just released and it didn't really have many accessories to go with it for vlogging. So that was pretty much the best thing I can come up with at the time. So that's why when a company called VIJIM hit me up about that GoPro vlogging bracket, I checked it out and it seems to be a solution to all of those problems. The bracket is slim and compact and it has a cold shoe mount on both sides of the bracket as well as a metal tripod thread at the bottom. The bracket is made of high quality plastic and it doesn't feel like it's gonna break if it's dropped or thrown around or anything. On top of the bracket is a standard GoPro mount, so you can just slide in your GoPro camera just like you would with any other GoPro accessory. So that pretty much makes this bracket a one-step solution. Now personally, I never shoot without a variable ND filter on my GoPro to avoid that stuttery look that GoPros have when you're shooting in bright daylight because of the shutter speed being so high. So I still recommend you get the camera case that lets you attach the round filters on the front of the GoPro, and the case is made of metal so it will protect your camera if you drop it. Now if that's something that you really don't care about and you just want to use the GoPro as it is and the footage looks fine to you, then all you have to do is just use the mount that comes with the GoPro and it works just fine. Once again, I will link all the parts down below, and I'll also leave the link to the video that shows all of my camera settings for the GoPro if you want to get the best footage out of the GoPro. So I will link all that down below. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, give me a like, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.